Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have this little toddler tool. It's a Montessori board. So it is all made out of wood. Basically, there's a little plastic parts for switches and stuff, but in general. And yeah, you see there's a lot of going on. It is there to keep your child um, entertained and to make it discover the different ways of moving stuff, how they are connected, and that they are actually um, reactive to each other. So we'll see what this is all about. Obviously, for us, this is going to be a really easy task. Up here, there's the power source, which is covered quite nicely. As you see, I have a hard time getting it off, even though it might be because the screwdriver of these um, items always are a little shaky. So it's throwing some batteries and everything is lighting up already, as you see, so we turn that off. Um, okay, let's see. And then we have a look at the board itself. Okay, what is going on? Okay, I'm probably having a hard time right now, but whatever. Yeah, we're just gonna leave that open, it's fine. So we got a key here. This is for this one light down there. Then this is what it should look like when everything is turned off. And then depending on what you push, switch, turn, twist, whatever, lights are gonna light up. So first off, we got a pretty basic switch like we know from our power sockets. Then these are all different switches. They are reacting quite easily. Then we got a key to practice the haptic for that. Turn that, it's gonna light up green. Then push, then stick. Whoop. Come on. Okay, there we go. And then we got this little switch down there. And of course, last but not least, we've got something to turn. And depending where we turn it, the light lights up on a different side of the board. And then we turn it up all the way, it just goes in circles really fast. That's what it's all about, and apparently this is really good for the development of your child. I don't know if that's 100% sure. If you are into Montessori, you might know better than I do. You can leave a comment down there. I don't know. I just bought it because I thought I wanted to see what all this hype is about. So let's turn them all back off, and then I would say it's time to stop recording because you saw what this is all about, and I will see you next video, and it's time to badger and out.